Utility and energy companies are on fire right now, and there's a tremendous need in this world for the data centers that power AI to receive energy from these energy companies and utility companies going forward. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a put credit spread in Constellation Energy and collect premium month after month going forward as this energy market continues to boom. Before we get started, please be sure and hit that like and subscribe button down below so that we can get this video out to more people. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. If you're interested in reducing risk and getting more bang for your buck with options, be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stock outright. And there's a paid course as well in a link below, and it's very reasonably priced if you want to dig into options a little deeper. Use the link below and open an account with Mumu. You can get 8.1% APY on uninvested cash and up to 15 free stocks, 5 for a deposit of just $100 and 10 more for a deposit of $1,000. You also get the free charting software that's great, and I use it every day. It's a zero commission online platform brokerage. All right, guys, I wanted to show you an easy trade that I'm putting on right now in Constellation Energy. And the reason I'm doing it, if you look at the one-year chart right here, you can see it's been trending up, and now it's just kind of consolidated. We've got the 13-day moving average still above the 50, but there's consolidation. So I'm looking for it to move up. Looking at the financials annually, they're solid. They are moving up. Revenue is in the blue, net income in the yellow, and then the balance sheet, assets and liabilities, solid as well. We can look at the PE ratio. We're at 27, so it's actually pretty good. And then the gross margin is 41%. The analyst, we've got a lot of analysts, 6 with a strong buy, 3 with a buy, 3 hold, and only 1 with a sell. And the projected target is 235, and it's trading at 210 right now, you can see. So fundamentally, very strong stock. Let's look at the couple of items in the news articles that are out. Constellation Energy Corporation's intrinsic value is potentially 93% above its share price. This was from the Simply Wall Street. They talk about the fair value based on free cash flow, and they did their own calculation. It's 48% undervalued based on the current 215 price. It's actually a little lower than that right now. Their estimate is 78% higher than the 233 that actually Yahoo Finance is anticipating as well. Here's another one. This is the Yahoo Finance article, and it talks about Constellation Energy as well. Largest owner of nuclear plants in the U.S. And there's a push with the government to transition to green energies and growing demand for data centers. So this is why I'm really investing in this long term and looking at it increasing is the AI push right now and the data center push. It's guaranteed to grow over the next several years. They indicate that Constellation produces power at $25 per megawatt hour, while the government's Inflation Reduction Act allows for a selling price floor of $45 per megawatt hour. That's $20 margin per megawatt hour, which is huge. That's built-in profit for them. Wall Street's bullish on the possibility of big tech building large-scale data centers with Constellation at their nuclear sites. I did see another article when I was just researching Amazon, and Amazon is talking with Constellation, so they could, potentially purchase them. But definitely have a deal with them along with a lot of the other big AI stocks. The appeal of non-regulated nuclear, which is what Constellation owns, is that you could build a data center on the land site and just directly hook into the data power plant there and take power. We're going to need data centers that are of size and dimension from a megawatt standpoint that is far beyond what currently exists in the market today. That's a good sign for Constellation. It goes together with nuclear energy, the data center economy and AI like peanut butter and jelly. They're in advanced conversations with multiple clients, large, well-known companies that you all know about powering their needs. I know Amazon is one of them. Hey guys, one other item I wanted to show you is if we go to sectorspiders.com. This is actually a great site. You can see the different sectors within the S&P 500, and we can look at the 5-day, so last week. And here you can see energy was down a little, 0.42%, and utilities down 1.53%. If we go back 1 month, we've got the same, 2.26% down energy, utilities 6.48%. So this is another reason that I think Constellation Energy is a good opportunity right now. Utilities and energy has been down, and you can see even over the last 3 months, 5.5% on energy. We get into the 6-month time frame, then everything's moved up, and year to date as well, energy up 8% and utilities 7%. But just recently, you can see the big drop in the energy and the utilities. So now is a great time to take advantage of that and invest in Constellation Energy. If we go to the trade page, this is the Tastytrade platform. There's a link down below. I use Tastytrade and Mumu, links to both, offers on both. I am going to look at the August chain. I'm going to open that up since we're 44 days to expiration. I'm going to do a put. It's trading right now at 210. We can do the 190, 180 and collect $2.20. So that gives us a 72% probability of profit. You can see right here. And actually it should be 1 minus the 24 delta. So it should give us a 1 minus 24 delta is a 76% probability of profit. But anyway, $2.20 is what we collect on a $10 wide. Max loss, if it moves down below, actually down here, I'll go into curve mode and we can see. Here's the analysis. But we can go all the way down to 190. It's at 210, so it can drop 20 points. That's almost 10% that it can drop, and we still make $220. And that's just over the next 44 days. And we don't have to hold it that long, so we can roll before then. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do it in this account. And then $220, I'm going to hit review and send. Place the trade. We'll wait for it to get filled. All right, guys, that caps off today's video. Be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Join Mumu. Get your 15 free stocks. Leave a comment, ask a question. I answer every one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.